Hello and welcome to AI Business Power Apps. Today we are going to talk about motion graphics. Now keep in mind when you're doing videos, videos are a sequence of images. Images are create specific images, so they're individualized, and then motion graphics puts things a little more animated, does some more specialized stuff. So let me just kind of scroll through some of these. Let's say that I have a logo and I want my logo to pop up and animate a little bit. That's what this does. It'll pop up my logo. This one will do, you might want to do this for Christmas, let the snow come down on your logo. And you see there's different things. Some of these are like slideshows. So this one's like a slideshow. It pops in with this logo. You can put your logo in here. You can put your text in there, and then it keeps on doing this. So you can create an entire video inside the system using these. This is a really cool logo design. You can change these backgrounds. You can change your own logo. So these are animated logos. You can add your product to a book to make it look cool. Put your words on top there. So these are additional things you can do. You can do products. You can do lightning bolts across your pictures. So you can have a series of pictures with lightning bolts going across it. So this is kind of like a little animated, but these are presets. So the neon one, I can click on the neon one and it'll pop in with my words. I can change the words here. I can change the background to be something different. All these can be edited. So let me give you an example of a couple of these that I've done. If you don't mind, excuse me for a second while I find all my stuff. So yesterday I did this one here. It's a billboard banner, and I can change the words here. I can change the logo, and I can change this call to action. So I did that yesterday just to show you what that looks like. Give it a minute to load here on the screen. I want to show you what they do, and then we can talk about how to use them. So I went in and I added my logo. I changed these words to be my words. I changed this information here and here, and then I changed this word here. The rest of this is all preset. That's the benefit of these things. The reason I wanted you to see it in action first, because you can see I created that image from this image here. So if I click on this, let's let it load a couple things. I'm gonna pause it right there. Let's get back to here. See where it says creative and business agency? I have the words creative and business agency here. And if I let it play, you'll see different things. So when I come in to create these videos, you're gonna select the template. All of them are gonna have very similar things. Whenever it has words like this, I want the words to be similar in length. So I don't wanna put supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, right? I want it to be similar in character. So if it has the word creative, I might do videos. That's what I do. Or I might do websites. I could do the word websites because it's similar length. Same thing here, personalized. That's about the same amount of characters as this. It or personalized video or websites today. Then this is my call to action. You remember there's a little button that goes right here. I'm gonna put learn more or call now. I'll put the word call now. And then I'm gonna put my phone number on this one. And I'm gonna do one of my phone numbers here. That is one of my business lines. Please don't call unless you need actual business. I'm gonna change my color to fit my color scheme. And then I'm gonna add some images that go along with this. I'm gonna browse for my logos. Notice these are PNGs, not JPEGs. So it's important that you understand the difference. If you are designing something, whether it's on Canva or you download something, make sure that logo is in a PNG format. Excuse me. So you can use that. Okay, so let's look for some logos. Go here, my logos. I'm gonna use my DFW top logo. I'm gonna open that. And then my images. I'm just gonna go back to my downloads. I know I'm gonna go to my AI business one because that's where that really cool fun one was. Maybe I like that image. Maybe I'll do this one, it's more fun. Okay, so those are my images. Once I have all these things in place, if I'm missing something, when I hit continue, it's gonna give me a red dot. So I wanna hit continue, it went ahead. Now I can select the music. So what kind of music do I want? Do I want it to be joyful pop? Sounds like that. Sure, why not? Will you be fast, energetic pop? That one sounds like a cartoon. I don't think I like that one. So I'm going to choose this one. And then you see above, this is how long the video is. So I can adjust this. If I want this really low section, I can go here. If I really want this high section, I can go here. And I can put play. And this allows me to select a single section of this audio here. Now I can select genres if I want EDM or hip hop or acoustic, if I want to be slow, fast, or medium, and if I want to be joyful, confident, inspirational, passionate, serene. I can select one of these and it'll pull and it'll load different ones. This is the one I'm going to choose because it's simple for me. I'm going to click continue. Now, once I come to this step, it's going to show me everything that I put in here. I'm going to make sure everything's spelled correctly, right? It's very important. Make sure my images are in the right place. Make sure it's got the video, the audio that I selected, and I'm going to click submit. When I click submit, down here at the bottom left, here's where you'll see what happens to it. So this is where your queue is started. Keep in mind when there's a lot of people working, it may not work, so you may have to come back to it later. So see, here's one that I did for that billboard animation. Here's a logo review. Here's a neon one. So let's click on these. Once this turns blue at the top and this says job status completed, you click here and it'll take you over to your vault. If you haven't found your vault yet, it is also one of your power apps where you can store information. This is where you're storing all your images and videos. So this section shows here's some neon videos that I did. I can click on this and I can download them. You can also rename them. I highly suggest renaming them so you know which one is which. This may be in the one we just did. I don't know, because I haven't named them yet. So always name things, then go in here. And this was the neon one that I created earlier for one of our other business. I think this is for our AI business apps. I did the goofy music, but I did this crazy background, but it did the images. So you can put any image you want here and then it's going to have those neon words pop up. So this can be an advertisement. You can actually take this right here, this video, put that in Canva and add additional words on top of it to really get attention and really pop out on social media. That's the benefit of using these motion makers in our Business Hive apps. So hopefully that helps you understand a little bit more about Motion Maker. I will see you on the next video. If you have any questions, again, reach out to us on our community.